Hi guys, today is on the 27th of May. Yeah, and today we have special guests coming to visit me. And today is Wednesday. Yeah, so we have special guests coming to visit me. And Wednesday there's no student coming to study. And now it's about 1 p.m. Yeah, at noon. Yeah, so special guests are coming to visit me. Brother Tom and sister Nini. Yeah, they are coming to visit me. So I show you this video before they are coming. And this is the class before the student used to study. Yeah, like you see, I already upload a video before that. Yeah, during after Lao New Year. Yeah, around on the 1st of May rather, and there's a wind, yeah, and also raining so hard. It's making the zing flying out like you see. Yeah, and when it is raining, so the rain can leaking up there very hard, so we cannot study down here right now. Also the whiteboard fly out. Yeah, you see the whiteboards go there, cannot use it because it's during night time, and when I get up in the morning, so the whiteboard is out there and wet or cannot use it. Yeah, so now we cannot study here in this place, yeah, because of the rain, and because of the rain, like the wind make it the zinc broken off, like some zinc flowing out. Yeah, and we cannot study right now. You see the broken. Yeah, very hard. Yeah, also behind here. Yeah, and let's show you a little here. And the tables and benches are still here, but our plan is not to fix this one again. Yeah, our plan is to get more donate and to build a new school, because it is almost ready, right? So we can build it as far as we can, and after we complete it, we can study there, and we move all these benches and tables to the place. Here I just want to show you before they come in. It is
where this tin shed
very
is.
close.
There is close to Txawv's house, so we're not far down. We're not even 100 metres, are we?
Yeah, not even 50 meters.
Yeah, 50 metres, so that's good. It's still in the heart of the town, the village.
Yeah, this is our new school. Yeah, and we plan to build it.
How many students are you teaching now?
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Not around 40 up, but some
40?
students are 40. Yeah, but some students are not coming every day. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we are
every day of the weekend.
Yeah.
It's still just weekends, Friday, Saturday and Sunday?
Okay. Friday to Sunday. Yeah.
But when we first came out here, it was only it was less than 30 students, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And you just can't fit them all.
Yeah. บ่มีเฮ็ด
คันเฮ็ดจุดชมวิวได้
ผู้จีนเขามาเฮ็ดขุนเฮอยู่ถึงภูทางให้เขาขุดอยู่พุ่นเขาไป
เดี๋ยวนี้เซาเลยติบ่เฮ็ดเลยติ
เดี๋ยวนี้เซา
ไกลแน่
His brother-in-law designed and built it.
Yeah, I remember in 112.
Yeah.
Yeah.
อันน่ะตอนทางเข้ามาหั่นน่ะเห็นเขาเจ้าจูดให้เนาะบอกหลายๆเป็นภูเลยเห็นไหมเขาเจ้าสิปลูกเนี่ย
Keep the old bottle, halve them, fill them up, or put them in the ice cold would be nice.
I asked him about in the hill we come and they burn to do farming for rubber.
The rubber farms.
Rubber farm.
Rubber plantation. Hmong people love their rubber plantations.
Because
they make good money. Yeah. All up in Mung Hom and in Saisambun area. Lots of rubber farms.
And the government support people to do too.
There's good money in it.
I'm going to the car.
Okay, Mr. Todd, we'll let you finish up.
Yeah,
Finish your
thank you
work.
so much.
Won't hold you
Yeah.
up any longer, mate.
Yeah.
I wish you all the best.
Yeah, he's going now. My friends. Yeah, my friends going. Goodbye.
See you next time, mate.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
goodbye. Yeah, they're going. My friends is going now.